and in all comes in just $349. Hey, what's up guys, Ekansh here. New day, new phone, and today we are going to talk about the latest release from Google, the Google Pixel 4a. But before that, a big shout out to the friends at AndroidAuthority.com, David ML, who has lent me the footage of these Pixel 4a's to show you guys around what this phone looks like. The video is already live and the link is in the description down below. So this year Google has released not one, not two, but basically three smartphones, three Pixel smartphones. The one is Pixel 4a, which we are going to talk about in this video. The second is Pixel 4a 5G, which comes around $499 and will be released around September and October. And the Pixel 5, which is also going to be released around the same time. The price is not yet released yet. So in this video, we only have one phone to talk about, is the Pixel 4a. And before we proceed, just remember this Pixel 4a comes in only $349. Now Pixel 4a is the much anticipated and mostly long overdue delayed smartphone of the year in 2020. Google says it is because of the current pandemic going on, and we believe it. Pixel 4a marks the newest entry in the mid-segment, budget-friendly segment of the smartphones, competing with Apple's iPhone SE and OnePlus Nord. Pixel 4a comes in only basic configuration and also only in one color, which is the black color. Plain and simple, no XL version, and in all comes in just $349. Inside the Pixel 4a, it powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G chipset with 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. And Google says this Pixel 4a will come with 3 years of software support. The 5.8 screen makes it all looks great. It's sharp with 2340 by 1080p pixel, which comes about just 400 ppi, and it's pretty colorful with slim bezels all around and floating selfie camera. I personally like camera cutouts rather than a notch because it looks trendy. The screen has 60Hz refresh rate. Unlike the most smartphones, comes in the budget with 90Hz refresh rate or maybe 120 based on the provider. This supports HDR 19.5:9 aspect ratio. The rear camera consists of a single lens, which is 12 megapixel, dual pixel focal length 1.5. It has OIS, EIS, and a 77-degree of field of view. For the front camera, we still have only one camera, which is 8 megapixel, focal point 2.0, only EIS, fixed focus, and 84-degree field of view. Pixel 4a is capable to shoot videos for your likes, like 4K at 30 fps, 1080p at 60 fps, slow-mo at 720p at 240 fps, 1080p at 120 fps. Lot many options you can play it around with. And all for your daily task and work on this Pixel 4a. It comes with a 3140 mAh battery with 18-watt fast charging to last a full day long based on your usage. Android 10 out of the box, of course, and Google is commenting that they are going to support this phone for 3 years major updates and multiple security updates. And for those who loves the headphone jack, it still has headphone jack in it. Google Pixel 4a is good in so many ways, with coming in just $349, which reminds the old good days of Nexus 5, which I had back in 2013. And if you are just paying $349 for this phone, you might be thinking that yes, of course, I am missing some major upgrades. Like there is no wireless charging, as if you care. There is no IP rating for this phone, so do not take this phone while you are shower or take out in a rainy day. It made out of soft plastic, just like the Pixel 3a, the last year phone. There is no telephoto and wide angle camera, and also there is no squeeze feature to invoke the Google Assistant. Now it comes down to only one question: do you want to buy it or you don't want to buy it? If you are planning to buy this phone, buy. If you want a great experience, inexpensive phone with a phenomenal camera. You value fast, frequent and long-term Android OS and security updates, which gives you a pure Android experience. And for those who don't want to buy this phone, don't buy if getting the most gigabytes and gigahertz per dollar possible matters to you more than the Android updates, and you want your new phone to be a 5G phone. It's so good to see that so many manufacturers are planning to release their new phones in the mid segment where most of the buyers resides. We have seen iPhone SE from Apple, OnePlus Nord from OnePlus, and now Google Pixel 4a. And there are many more to come in the future. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Till then, stay home, stay safe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.